All right, Charlie. Box 8, Contenders. We're almost halfway through the case. I mean, what, a Devontae Booker to 25, which I mean that's a fine and dandy card, but in terms of I've been sleeving the top 3 or 4 hits from our case, and that would not have been sleeved in any of our cases so far. So we should have at least 3 large cards to go. LT Legendary. Kevin Green Legendary. To 99, Big Ben and Antonio Brown touchdown tandems parallel. Another Vike Mackenzie Alexander Rookie of the Year contenders. Here's an auto. Darian Thompson rookie ticket autograph. Jalen Smith and Miles Jack. Here comes an auto. Dude, is this your third one? This one's a parallel at least. To 199, Johnny Holton. The Raider. MVP contenders, Eli Manning. To 199, Miles Jack, Rookie of the Year contenders, gold. Oh, here comes an auto. Oh, we've only seen one of him. Cardale Jones, rookie ticket autograph for the Bills. There's your Bill. Now you just need a Brown. Wait. No, you got Darian. Jarrell Adams, rookie ticket autograph. And Charlie said, oh boy. Oh my gosh. No, it didn't. Jordan Payton for the Browns. He got a Bill and a Brown. Oh, Charlie. Charlie. You bit my finger. I'm sorry, dude. Brown and a Bill. Braxton Miller, Leonte Carew. He's like, embrace the Browns and the Bills. All right, your Gridiron redemption is Tavon Young. Never heard of her. Miles Jack, Rookie of the Year contenders. All right, we're going to get another auto out of here. Something big. Four packs? No, 4 or 5 packs. I think 4. Jeremy Langford for the Bears. Rodgers cleaning house. Eli Apple, Rookie of the Year contenders. All right, 2 packs. 2 packs for a little miracle. Luck and Hilton. And a base pack with a Packer on the back. Charlie. There you have it.